Okay, so this is something you should know, and you probably already do know, but we'll make sure. So the question is how to solve the quadratic equation, and in front of us, before we even start, we have the formation of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, okay? And we have the formula with which we'll solve this, which says minus b plus minus b squared minus over ac under the root over 2a. So usually when we come across a question, all we have to do is recognize the a, the b, and the c, and we're halfway there. All we have to do then is just plug into the formula. For example, let's talk about this. Let's say that our function is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, and the question is, when is this set to 0? So let's see, who's our a? Our a is the coefficient of the x squared, but we don't have the coefficient for the x squared. Remember, when there's nothing, it's as if we have 1x squared. The b is the coefficient of the x, which is 5 in this example, or better to say, positive 5. And the c is purple, and the c is the free term. In this case, positive 6. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll just plug in the data into the formula. Okay, so whenever I have a b, I'm going to write down 5. So take this away and this away. What I have here is negative 5 plus minus 5 squared, which is 25. Perfect. And now, wherever I have an a, erase. Whenever I have an a, I'm going to write down 1 because that's my a. So this is 4 times 1 times c, and this is 2 times 1. And whenever I have a c, I'm going to write down, once this erases, I'm going to write down 6 because that's my c. That's it. So just recognize your a, your b, and your c, plug it in, and then you're going to get your answers. Now, because of this plus minus in here, what you're going to get is 2 answers. For example, in this case, you get negative 2 and negative 3. Okay, this is common. You either get 2 answers, 1 answer, or no answer. We'll talk about that later on. But that's all you have to do. Recognize your a, b, and c. Recognize that it's a quadratic equation. Recognize your a, b, and c and plug them in to find your answers. That's it.